नमस्कार। आज हम टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट नी प्रॉब्लम, घुटनों की प्रॉब्लम की बात करेंगे आज। दिस नी प्रॉब्लम is occurring very frequently and many people are suffering from this knee problem. ये बहुत लोगों को नी की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और बहुत से लोग इससे सफ़र कर रहे हैं और इसके दैट गोज अप टू नी रिप्लेसमेंट एंड दिस एंड दैट, ये घुटने बदलने के ऊपर तक चली जाती है बात। बट if we focus on the talk we did yesterday in our video, the lower portion Vat, Pitta and Kapha, that is the chemistry of the body, and then how to fix it. We will relate this doshas Vata, Pitta and Kapha with many things. Today we are touching knee problem. I was very curious to come to this because it is a very common problem. Many people suffer from this. तो हिंदी में ये जो 3 दोष हैं, वात, पित्त और कफ, इससे हम आज घुटनों की प्रॉब्लम को डिस्कस करेंगे। डिस्कस भी नहीं, इट इज नॉट ओनली डिस्कशन, इट्स ए सॉल्यूशन। ये समाधान बता रहा हूं इसका, ये डिस्कस नहीं है, इस कोई डिबेट नहीं है इसके ऊपर, क्योंकि नाउ वी विल डील टुडे इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू विद दिस नी पोर्शन। वी विल टॉक टू एवरी सेल ऑफ दिस नी, दिस बोन पोर्शन एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स as per our doshas. Now we will talk to the cells. We will generate ignition into it. The urja will generate into it. And that will go up. That the third thing is the focus. We will focus on this. Now these 3 things can make it pain-free. If somebody has pain already, then they can do the same thing every day. But if you don't have, you can do it in 3 days a week. अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो वो 7 days a week कर ले इसको. But if you don't have, then just like exercise, you can do 3 days a week. Now, what we need for that? Some mustard oil. 5 things. Mustard oil, this pear soap or some nice soap without chemicals and all that, and some water and 1 or 2 napkins and a cotton towel, dry, totally dry cotton towel. Now what we will do, we will remove this. What I will do, I will put some water here on my hand, then soap, rub it like this, okay, now it is there. We can do it nicely, perhaps little more water to make it more wet. This. Now I will put this half spoon of mustard oil. We can get it from Indian market or even all the stores sell this. Mustard oil is a very common thing. Now we can mix it with soap. Now we will come to this. What we'll do, we'll rub it here and then rub it down, all this. After rubbing, what we will do, 50 times like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Press it. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this 50 times, like this. We are involving this portion also and this portion also 50 times. Okay, then we'll go down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. What it is doing? It is cleaning all the pores. It is giving ignition to the inner cells. It is giving a focus on this part of our body. At this point of time, what we are doing? We know we are fixing our knees. That is a system of nervous system and all that. Our sensor system is focused on this. All this, 1, 2, 3, 50 times like this, 50 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's done. Similarly, we'll do with the other. And then we can just take a dry towel and press it very nicely, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And don't wash it after that. After 1 or 2 hours, or roughly minimum 1 hour, we can wash it or whatever you want to do. No. This thing is not something very regular. It's a scientific thing. You might feel that such a big problem of knee and all that, how it can be done so easily with something very simple. Yes, it is a solution of this, but the things are being exaggerated in this word. तो हमने क्या किया कि हमने साबुन लिया, पानी लिया, उसका झाग बनाया, उसके बाद हमने इसको मल दिया 50 टाइम्स, ऐसे रगड़ के, pressing this portion, that portion, all, then down 50 टाइम्स. उसके बाद हमने इसको 10 बार ऊपर रगड़ के पहुंचा, 10 बार नीचे. ये गीला नहीं होना चाहिए, सूखा, ड्राई. देन 1 घंटे के बाद हमें इसको वॉश करना है, उससे पहले नहीं. क्यों? बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग ऑल दैट. सो दिस थिंग, perhaps we do it, if we do it, can never get you in a problem of knees. Guaranteed. Because we have given ignition to this, we have given focus to it, we have given drive to it, we have talked to the cells. हमने cells से बात कर ली है, cells को हमने सब कुछ दे दिया है, और cells ही हमारी बॉडी है, cells ही सारे हैं. वो प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे होती हैं? जब हम when we neglect the things. Just like a country, if some state or some place is neglected, that goes down. And where the center of a government or a place keep focus, they get enlightened and empowered. It's the same principle everywhere. This is the body. If our control system keep focus, keep the cells empowered, give ignition to them, we are good. तो जैसे किसी देश में किसी स्टेट को नेग्लेक्ट कर दिया जाता है, उसी तरह वो प्रॉब्लम में आ जाती है. अगर वो देश उस स्टेट को ध्यान से रखेगा तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। द सिमिलर वे वी डेल्ट विद अवर नीज, और हम हमेशा फर्स्ट क्लास चला सकते हैं इसको। वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू रिप्लेस दैट एंड दिस एंड दैट बिग प्रॉब्लम। Okay, and same we can do with the other, 50 times this, 50 times that. And now we will relate this to this Vat, Pit and Kaph. That's why I talked about this. Now in the next video, we'll talk about more things related with Vat, Pit and Kaph, the critical problems what we get. We will be talking about very important, very scientific things in the coming videos about this chemistry of our body and solutions. So please keep in mind about this knee, and then I will be there in front of you with something more magnetic, more practical in my coming videos. Namaskar.